A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the unfinished journey, rising beyond success and failure. Ladies and gentlemen, across the tapestry of time, humanity has clung to one illusion that success marks arrival and failure signals the end. But the truth is more profound. Both are mere movements in an ever-flowing river of life. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that reveals the measure of the soul. This courage is not born of worldly applause, but an inner fire, a dharmic resolve, echoing the eternal message of the Bhagavad Gita. When one rises, not because the world revolves it, but because something higher within commands it, that is the beginning of a truly meaningful life. Modern life often weighs individuals by results, titles, numbers, recognition. But behind every genuine triumph lies unseen perseverance, silent endurance, and unseen valleys walked in solitude. Success, if clung to, can fossilize the spirit. Failure, if feared, can paralyze it. True movement, true growth happens when one becomes untouched by both. The Bhagavad Gita does not celebrate victory or lament defeat. It presents both. It teaches Nishkama Karma, action without attachment. In its timeless verses, Lord Krishna does not instruct Arjuna to win, but to act in accordance with his dharma, with courage, clarity, and compassion. Be steadfast in yoga. He says, abandon attachment and stand firm in evenness of mind, whether in gain or loss, victory or defeat. This evenness is not indifference. It is inner strength. It is the power to act without fear of failure and without pride in success. It is the spiritual discipline that allows one to rise again and again, not because the world beacons, but because the soul remembers its purpose. Science seeks proof, ancient wisdom seeks truth, yet in both progress is never straight. Mountains are climbed not by those who never stumble, but by those who rise each time they fall. The universe itself expands expanding, contracting, evolving, follows the rhythm of resilience. So too does the human spirit. What's the way forward? To rise beyond success and failure is to rewrite the very definition of achievement. It begins by shifting from external validation to internal alignment. A child learning to stand, a seeker facing uncertainty, a worker in obscurity, a soul battling despair, each is heroic in the quiet courage to try once more. Let the message be embedded in education, leadership, and life that courage is not the absence of failure, but the sacred willingness to move through it. That real progress is not in the reward, but in the refusal to retreat. That each effort offered in sincerity refines the soul, regardless of its visible outcome. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, success may glow for a moment, failure may cloud a day, but courage endures beyond time. It is the sacred whisper that urges one to walk when all strength is gone. It is the unseen hand that lifts one from dust to dignity. And it is the immortal voice of the Bhagavad Gita, reminding in every age, on this path there is no loss. Even a little of this dharma protects from great fear. For those who walk with courage, every moment becomes a beginning, every fall a step, every silence a call, and every heart, no matter how tired, holds the power to rise again, not to chase success, not to escape failure, but to live with fearless purpose. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.